在2025年1月13日，伊朗正式发布了一种新型激光驱动的空中防御系统，名为 Seraj。该系统的推出旨在增强对关键基础设施的保护，尤其是福尔多油浓缩设施。此次新系统的测试是在一系列军事演习中进行的。这些演习不仅展示了 Seraj 的先进技术，还标志着伊朗在提升其军事能力和战略准备方面的重要进展。系统功能与应用。 Seraj 系统的设计目的是应对现代空中威胁，其核心技术为激光。该系统在最近的军事演习中得到了充分的测试，特别是在福尔多油浓缩设施附近的演习中，显示了其在保护和设施方面的关键作用。系统集成了先进的雷达和信号探测技术，具备侦察和拦截能力，能够有效识别和追踪潜在的空中威胁。这种技术的应用不仅增强了伊朗的防御能力，也向外界传达了其不断发展的军事技术实力。战略意义。 Seraj 系统的推出具有深远的战略意义，它不仅是伊朗针对外部威胁的防御手段，更是其军事技术进步的重要体现，有助于增强伊朗在地区的威慑力。通过展示这种新型防御系统，伊朗向外界传达了其在关键基础设施保护方面的决心，并且可能会改变中东地区的军事平衡。国际反应与媒体报道。随着 Seraj 系统的发布，国际社会对此产生了广泛关注。媒体普遍对该系统的技术细节和潜在影响进行了报道，强调其在保护和设施方面的重要性。不同媒体在报道中对 Seraj 的描述存在差异，但大多数都一致认为这一系统将对中东地区的安全格局产生重要影响。时间线概述。发布前期，在2023年，伊朗加强了对其军事能力的宣传，包括举行多次军事演习，以展示其防御技术的进步。2023年10月，伊朗首次展示了 Seraj 激光防空系统，标志着其在空中防御领域的新进展。2023年10月中旬，媒体对 Seraj 的报道开始增多，强调其在保护和设施方面的战略重要性，并引发国际社会的广泛关注。总结。综上所述，伊朗新推出的 Seraj 激光驱动空中防御系统代表了其在军事技术方面的重要进步，旨在提升对关键设施的保护能力。尽管各个媒体对其技术细节和潜在影响的报道存在差异，但一致认为这一系统将在中东地区的安全格局中发挥重要作用。
The recent unveiling of Iran's laser-powered air defense system Seraj presents several counterintuitive aspects that challenge conventional perceptions about military technology and geopolitical dynamics in the region. Here are some of the counterintuitive points regarding the Seraj system and its implications. 1. Laser technology in military applications. While laser weapons have often been seen as futuristic and primarily experimental, Iran's deployment of a laser-based air defense system signifies a practical application of this technology. Many defense analysts have traditionally viewed lasers as ineffective against moving targets or in adverse weather conditions. However, Iran's insistence on integrating laser technology into its defense strategy implies a belief that these systems can offer a viable defense against modern aerial threats, challenging the skepticism surrounding their effectiveness. 2. Strengthening defense through offensive capability. The introduction of Seraj is framed as a defensive measure to protect critical infrastructures, especially the Fordow uranium enrichment facility. However, the very act of enhancing air defense capabilities can be perceived as an escalatory move, provoking adversaries instead of merely providing security. This paradox highlights how defensive systems can inadvertently contribute to a climate of tension and arms races, as rivals may feel compelled to enhance their offensive capabilities in response. 3. Regional military balance. The Seraj system's unveiling is expected to shift the military balance in the Middle East. Traditionally, air defense capabilities were dominated by countries with advanced military technologies, primarily the US and its allies. Iran's development of a sophisticated air defense system indicates a significant leap in its military technology, suggesting that nations with less conventional military power can still pose substantial threats through technological advancements. Challenging the narrative that military strength is solely based on numbers or conventional weaponry. 4. Domestic versus international messaging. Iran's display of the Seraj system during military drills serves a dual purpose. Domestically, it reinforces the regime's narrative of self-sufficiency and technological advancement in the face of sanctions and international pressure. Internationally, it sends a message of deterrence to adversaries, particularly Israel and the United States. This dual messaging can create a perception that Iran is both vulnerable and powerful, simultaneously complicating the strategies of other nations in response to its military posturing. 5. Impact of media narratives. The portrayal of the Seraj system in various media outlets emphasizes its strategic importance and potential to alter the military landscape. However, this narrative often overlooks the complexities involved in operationalizing such technology. The expectation that a newly unveiled system will immediately change the dynamics of regional power can lead to overestimations of its capabilities while underestimating the challenges of integration and deployment in real-world scenarios. 6. Diplomatic ramifications. The development of the Seraj system could complicate diplomatic negotiations surrounding Iran's nuclear program. While many view military advancements as a means of deterrence, they can also serve as bargaining chips in international diplomacy. This duality suggests that advancements in military technology might hinder or facilitate dialogue depending on the perceptions of involved parties. Challenging the assumption that military developments always escalate tensions. 7. Perception of threats. The emphasis on laser technology as a countermeasure to aerial threats may reshape how threats are perceived in the region. Countries that previously relied on conventional missile systems may reconsider their strategies in light of advancements in laser defense systems. This could lead to a re-evaluation of military doctrines, suggesting that perceived threats can evolve in response to technological advancements rather than remaining static. 8. Global technology transfer. The unveiling of Seraj could prompt other nations to reconsider their military technology investments. While traditionally military advancements were seen as the domain of major powers, Iran's development of cutting-edge technology may inspire other countries, particularly those under sanctions, to pursue similar paths. This could lead to a broader diffusion of advanced military technologies, challenging the existing power structures in global military dynamics. By examining these counterintuitive aspects associated with Iran's Seraj air defense system, it becomes evident that the implications of military advancements are multifaceted, often defying straightforward interpretations of power, security, and international relations. The unveiling of Iran's new laser-powered air defense system Seraj is a significant development that warrants a closer examination beyond the immediate technological advancements it represents. While many reports focus on the system's capabilities, such as its integration of advanced radar and signal detection technologies, there are several key aspects of the announcement and its implications that are often overlooked. 1. Technological innovation and strategic autonomy. One of the most significant yet understated elements of the Seraj system is Iran's ability to develop and deploy such advanced military technology independently. This represents a critical step toward technological self-sufficiency, especially in the context of ongoing sanctions and international isolation. Many observers may underestimate the importance of this autonomy, as it enables Iran to reduce its reliance on foreign military technology and support. This capability could strengthen Iran's negotiating position in international diplomacy and enhance its deterrent posture in a volatile region. 2. Regional military dynamics. The introduction of the Seraj system could be seen as a game-changer in the balance of power within the Middle East. While much focus is placed on Israel's military superiority, the emergence of a sophisticated air defense system like Seraj challenges the previously unchallenged dominance of Israeli air power. This could lead to a recalibration of military strategies among regional actors, potentially escalating tensions and prompting an arms race. Observers might miss the broader implications of this shift, which could destabilize the already fragile security environment in the region. 3. Symbolism of defense against external threats. The announcement of the Seraj system also serves a crucial symbolic purpose. It is presented not just as a technological achievement but as a direct response to perceived external threats, particularly from Israel and the United States. By showcasing this new capability, Iran is projecting strength and resilience which can bolster national pride and domestic support for the regime. Understanding the psychological and political dimensions of this unveiling is essential as it reflects Iran's strategic narrative of resistance against foreign aggression. 4. Nuclear facility protection and deterrence. The specific emphasis on protecting critical infrastructure, particularly the Fordow uranium enrichment facility, is significant. While many reports highlight the technological aspects of Seraj, the strategic focus on nuclear facility defense signifies Iran's commitment to its nuclear ambitions despite international scrutiny. This could provoke further concerns among Western powers about Iran's intentions and capabilities, potentially leading to renewed diplomatic tensions or military posturing. The nuanced understanding of this connection between defensive capabilities and nuclear ambitions is often underexplored in mainstream narratives. 5. International reactions and strategic alliances. The international community's response to Iran's unveiling of the Seraj system is another vital aspect that could be overlooked. The reactions from key players such as the United States and Israel will likely shape the geopolitical landscape in the coming months. These reactions could include increased military cooperation among allies, enhanced intelligence operations, or even preemptive measures against perceived threats. Analyzing these potential responses and their implications can provide deeper insights into the shifting alliances and rivalries in the region. 6. Domestic implications and political capital. Domestically, the introduction of the Seraj system could serve as a tool for the Iranian government to consolidate power and legitimize its military expenditures. By framing the development of advanced military technology as essential for national security, the regime can justify its actions to the Iranian populace. This aspect is often overshadowed by technical discussions but is crucial for understanding the internal political dynamics at play. The potential for the government to leverage this achievement for political capital should not be underestimated. Conclusion. While the technological advancements of the Seraj laser-powered air defense system are noteworthy, the broader implications of its unveiling are equally critical. From strategic autonomy and regional military dynamics to the symbolism of resistance and domestic political capital, these factors play a significant role in shaping the current and future landscape of Middle Eastern geopolitics. Observers and analysts must look beyond the surface to fully grasp the complexities and potential ramifications of Iran's defense developments. Understanding these nuances is essential for anticipating the next steps in a region marked by uncertainty and conflict. 1. System functionality and applications. The Seraj system is a laser-powered air defense system developed by Iran specifically designed to counter modern aerial threats. Its testing during military drills, particularly near the sensitive Fordow uranium enrichment facility, highlights its role in enhancing the protection of critical infrastructure. The integration of advanced radar and signal detection technologies indicates Iran's commitment to modernizing its military capabilities. This development not only serves as a defensive mechanism but also represents a strategic move to safeguard vital national assets. 2. Strategic significance. The unveiling of the Seraj system has significant implications for regional security dynamics. It is not merely a protective measure against external threats, it also serves as a demonstration of Iran's technological advancements in military defense. By showcasing this system, Iran aims to strengthen its deterrence posture against perceived threats from adversaries, particularly in a region marked by geopolitical tensions. This move can potentially alter the military balance in the Middle East, prompting responses from neighboring countries and international powers. 3. International reactions and media coverage. The introduction of the Seraj system has garnered considerable attention from international media, which has highlighted its potential impact on the military landscape of the Middle East. Reports vary in their technical assessments and implications of the system, but there is a consensus that it plays a crucial role in protecting Iran's nuclear facilities. The heightened media scrutiny reflects broader concerns about Iran's military capabilities and the potential escalation of conflicts in the region, as other countries may feel compelled to respond to Iran's advancements. 4. Timeline of developments. The timeline surrounding the development and unveiling of the Seraj system is indicative of Iran's broader military strategy. Beginning in 2023 with increased military exercises aimed at showcasing advancements in defense technology, the official introduction of the system in October 2023 marks a pivotal moment in Iran's military readiness. The emphasis on protecting nuclear facilities, particularly during high-stakes military drills, underscores the urgency and importance Iran places on safeguarding its nuclear ambitions amid ongoing international scrutiny and sanctions. 1. The Cuban Missile Crisis. 1962. The Cuban Missile Crisis was a pivotal moment during the Cold War when the United States discovered Soviet nuclear missiles stationed in Cuba just 90 miles from its shores. The U.S. response included a naval blockade to prevent further shipments of military equipment to Cuba and a demand for the removal of the missiles. This standoff brought the world to the brink of nuclear war, and the eventual resolution involved both superpowers making concessions, including the U.S. agreeing to withdraw its missiles from Turkey. The crisis highlighted the importance of military readiness and the potential consequences of advancements in military technology. 2. The Iron Dome. 2011. Israel's Iron Dome is an advanced air defense system designed to intercept and destroy short-range threats, such as rockets and artillery shells. Developed in response to the ongoing rocket threats from Gaza, the Iron Dome has proven effective in protecting Israeli cities and infrastructure. Its deployment has significantly altered the strategic landscape of the region, providing Israel with a robust defensive capability against aerial attacks. The system's success has led to discussions about the role of technology in modern warfare and its implications for regional security dynamics. 3. The Gulf War. 1990 to 1991. The Gulf War was marked by the use of advanced military technologies, including precision-guided munitions and stealth aircraft. The conflict began when Iraq invaded Kuwait, leading to a U.S.-led coalition intervening to liberate Kuwait. The war showcased the effectiveness of modern air defense systems and the strategic use of technology in achieving military objectives. The coalition's air campaign was instrumental in the swift victory over Iraqi forces, demonstrating the importance of technological superiority in contemporary warfare and shaping future military strategies globally. The unveiling of Iran's laser-powered air defense system Seraj marks a significant development in the country's military capabilities, particularly in the context of protecting critical infrastructure such as the Fordow uranium enrichment facility. This strategic move reflects Iran's ongoing efforts to modernize its military technology and enhance its defense posture amid heightened regional tensions. Future outlook and predictions. 1. Increased military capabilities. The introduction of the Seraj system indicates that Iran will likely continue investing in advanced military technologies. This trend may lead to further innovations in air defense systems, including the integration of artificial intelligence and enhanced radar capabilities, improving the overall effectiveness of their military arsenal. 2. Regional military balance. The launch of Seraj could shift the military balance in the Middle East. Neighboring countries, particularly Israel and Saudi Arabia, may respond by accelerating their own military modernization programs. This could lead to an arms race in the region with an emphasis on counteracting advanced technologies such as laser systems and drones. 3. International reactions. The unveiling of the Seraj system is likely to provoke strong reactions from Western countries and regional adversaries. Increased sanctions or diplomatic efforts may be employed to counter Iran's military advancements, potentially leading to more strained relations and heightened military confrontations. 4. Enhanced deterrence strategy. Iran's development of the Seraj system will be positioned as a core component of its deterrence strategy. This system not only protects critical sites but also serves as a message to adversaries about Iran's capability to defend itself against potential airstrikes. As such, Iran may become more assertive in its regional engagements, emboldened by its perceived military advancements. 5. Potential for conflict. As Iran strengthens its defensive capabilities, the likelihood of miscalculations or confrontations with adversaries could increase. The presence of advanced military technology might lead to preemptive strikes or aggressive posturing from regional powers, escalating tensions further. 6. Focus on cyber and hybrid warfare. In conjunction with traditional military advancements, Iran may enhance its focus on cyber capabilities and hybrid warfare tactics. This dual approach will allow Iran to challenge its adversaries in non-traditional domains, complicating the security landscape in the region. 7. Collaboration with allies. Iran is likely to deepen military cooperation with allies such as Russia and China, particularly in the realm of technology sharing and joint military exercises. This collaboration may provide Iran with access to cutting-edge military technologies and strategies, further enhancing its defense capabilities. 8. Impact on nuclear negotiations. The development of the Seraj system could complicate ongoing nuclear negotiations. While Iran may use its military advancements as leverage in diplomatic talks, it may also lead to increased scrutiny and skepticism from other nations regarding its intentions and capabilities. 9. Long-term defense infrastructure. Over the next decade, Iran may invest in building a more comprehensive defense infrastructure, integrating systems like Seraj within a broader network of air defense, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities. This holistic approach will aim to create a robust defense mechanism against a range of threats. 10. Public perception and propaganda. Domestically, the unveiling of advanced military technology will likely be used to bolster national pride and reinforce the government's narrative of strength and resilience. This may enhance the regime's legitimacy among the populace and provide a counter-narrative to external pressures. Conclusion. The introduction of the Seraj laser-powered air defense system signifies a pivotal moment in Iran's military evolution, as the country seeks to bolster its defensive capabilities. It will play a crucial role in shaping the geopolitical landscape of the Middle East. The future will likely see an intensification of military competition, strategic posturing, and complex diplomatic interactions, all influenced by Iran's commitment to enhancing its military technology and capabilities.